Today you will learn how to turn off this perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator. So as you can see, we cannot select the grid. We have a little icon here, but when we click on the cross, it does not work. To make this work, we need Perspective Grid tool. Go to Edit toolbar and search for Perspective Grid tool. Now click and drag the tool to the toolbar. Now select the Perspective Grid tool. Go to the icon and now click on the cross sign. The grid is hidden now. The other way to hide the grid is by using the View menu. Go to Perspective Grid and select Hide. You can also hide the Perspective Grid using the shortcut key. Press Ctrl+Shift+I from the keyboard to turn on and off the Perspective Grid. So I hope you have learned how to turn off the Perspective Grid tool in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.